What's good, YouTube? In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how I would make a beat for like Don Toliver and Travis Scott. I made this beat with Shamrock. I'm gonna have his socials and stuff down in the description. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and let's get into the video. Alright, so that's the beat, real dark, and being Travis Scott, Don Toliver type vibes. First thing we started with was Analog Lab. Shamrock played these chords. The preset is, let me see. Alright, so preset's not showing up, but these are the chords. Sound like this. There is a halftime on the chords. I'm gonna take that off. I'm gonna show y'all how I don't know the music theory behind these chords, but halftime on it. EQ, another EQ, dip out the mids and lows. Sound like this. I think this is just the same thing, another sound. Bystanders is the preset. Wait, is it on this one too? This one's called Arcana or Arcana. Sound like this. And what gives it the dark feel that I noticed is like the little half steps. If you want, like, go from like a 3 to a 4 or a 5 to a 6, something like that. Like, just do half steps, you get the darker tone, you make the darker beats. Bass line. Just repeats itself. Shamrock did the chords and the bass line. I just did the drums and added this guitar. Sound like this. Just following notes in the chords basically, and without the effects on it, the guitar sound like this. Chorus and flanger, and what really does it is the Supermassive. I recommend this plugin. This delay is crazy. And then after that, 808. And then I added this snare. The flocky snare. I got it from a Don Toliver kit on Reddit. Sound like this. It just keep that same bounce through the whole way. And then Nick Mirror kit. Simple drums, basic hi-hat. And it's just the effects on it that make it sound like that. open hat. I'm not gonna go through the open hat, it's not important. I think that's just a reversed one. Then use this perk. It just repeats that pattern basically. And then another open hat. And yeah, that's pretty much the beat. Hope y'all guys like this video. I'll be dropping more soon. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out.